In our last lesson, I explained what white labeling is. In this lesson, we're going to look at what reselling is. Reselling is not a new word. It has been in existence for over centuries. This is what market women use to earn money selling things to their customers. Reselling is all about buying a product from producer and then reselling it to your own customers at a higher price. So it's all about buying a product at a lower price and selling it to your customers at a higher price. That is all about reselling. It's not a new word or a new concept. Let's use this diagram to understand what reselling is, because I am a visual learner and I'm going to explain to you through visuals. So let's say you want to sell laptops. You first of all pick a provider or a manufacturer who will sell the laptops to you at an affordable price. So a laptop will cost you $200. You buy a laptop and sell it to your customers at a higher price. This concept is not a new one. It has been in existence for over 1,000 years. So that's how the whole market works. Okay? So after you sell it to your customers who are willing to pay $400 and take this laptop, you make a profit of $200. This is not cheating. That's how the whole market works. Let me take it further. So if you want to make more money, that means you have to reach more customers. So the same producer will give you his laptops, $200 per one. So if you want to make $2,000, that means you have to sell to 10 customers. Each customer will pay you $400, making you $4,000. $4,000 is not going to be your profit, because part of this money will be used to reinvest back into your business. So you deduct $2,000 and buy the laptops, and the remaining $2,000 is going to be in your pocket as profit. Again, this is not cheating, because this is how the market works. Now, I don't know where you're watching this video from, but where I'm coming from, my country, this is what market women do. They buy tomatoes from a farmer at a lower price, so let's say $10, and then they'll put these tomatoes in smaller containers and sell them $2 each. They'll sell these to 80 customers or consumers and make a profit of 160. Now this 160 is not going to be pure profit, because part of this money was used to purchase the tomatoes. So after they deduct the cost price, their profit is going to be $150. So this is how the market works. Wherever you are from, it also applies to you. They buy products at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. So with that being said, let me now explain to you what reseller hosting is. We'll take this knowledge to the software industry, the software field, and apply it there and see how reseller business works in software world. In our last lesson, we learned about white labeling. In this lesson, we are looking at reselling. What is reseller hosting? So we're going to bring the two ideas together to understand what reseller hosting is. So this is a definition from Google. Reseller hosting is a kind of white label approach. And we said white label, it means a company giving you a customizable ability or rebrandable ability to rebrand their products, their services, as if it was yours. Put your own logo, your own stamp, your everything, and sell it to your customers. Now we're talking about reselling. That means you're going to resell their resources to your own customers. So let's continue with their definition. is a kind of white label approach of selling hosting services. It allows anyone to sell them without owning any of the actual equipment. You're not going to install your own service in your own room or in your own data center. It will cost you huge money to start your own data center. Okay. Or having the technical expertise. Most of you are not server administrators, so you are not going to be able to do this unless you study this somewhere. Instead, a hosting provider let you resell their services either under the company's name or under their own brand. So you sell it under the company's name or under your own brand. But in this video, in this lesson, or in this free course, we are going to look at how we are going to rebrand it so that we can sell it to our own customers under our own brand. So that's all about reseller hosting. We're going to get the resources from a hosting provider, mark up the prices, and sell it under our own brand. And when you get customers, you're going to keep the profit, just like what I explained to you with the diagram, or in the concept of reselling tomatoes to your consumers at a higher price. Almost every web hosting provider out there has this reseller hosting feature. So I'll take you back to the search, remove this, and put reseller hosting providers. Just put providers like this, hit enter, and we're going to get a list of reseller hosting providers. Now Namecheap is here. When you click on it, you see host reseller. I don't like clicking on paid ads because it's going to cost them money. So let me see. All these are reseller hosting providers. Okay. Let me type Namecheap reseller and wait. Good. Now come down and we have cheap reseller web hosting plans. Click on it and wait. And this is Namecheap. So with this, they're going to give you resources. All right, so you buy their resources and you get 30 gig SSD, and you can sell this package to 25 clients. So that means you're going to be marking up their prices. We have their second plan that you can sell to 100 consumers or 100 users. And we have the third package that you can sell to 150 users, recurring paying users, and you have access to 150 gig SSD storage. This is not the only hosting provider that provides reseller capabilities. We have a lot of web hosting providers out there that provide reseller hosting. Now the question is, can you make money through this reseller hosting thing? And how much can you earn through this kind of thing? It all depends on you, how serious you are in acquiring customers. Again, I'm going to use the Namecheap packages as an example. So I'll click on the yearly. Fantastic. Starting from, okay, let's pick the Galaxy Expert plan, and this is going to cost you $442 every year, and you can sell these resources to 100 clients. So now, let's say your hosting packages, the basic plan will cost your users or your consumers or your customers $5 per month. Okay, $5 per month to host a website. So if one user is paying you $5 every month, and take note, we're calculating everything here based on the monthly, and after that we'll send it back to the yearly period. So if one person is paying $5 per month, that means in 12 months this person will be paying $60 to have his website hosted online. Remember, this package that you are buying, you are selling it to 100 customers. So that's only just one person, and you're making $60 from him or her every year. Multiply that by the 100 people, and you're going to get what? You're going to get $6,000 from this package that you bought for what? $400, less than $500. You're going to be making $600. So it's all about you getting clients, paying clients, recurring paying clients on your hosting services. Okay, so the concept is simple. It doesn't matter the package you are on, you can still make profit. Even if you reduce your prices, I use that was $5. So let's say you're even, it's $3 that you want to offer your basic plan. So the basic plan is $3 per month, and you multiply that by 12. Each person is going to be paying $36 every year to have his website hosted. Now, if one person is paying $36, then you get multiply that by what? The 100 customers. You're going to make $3,600 from this. So this is going to be your cost, less than $500 per every year. You're going to be making $3,600 every year. And domain name reselling is not part, because still you're going to be reselling domain names, SSL, and a lot. So if you are serious about acquiring client acquisition, then you can make money through this whole web hosting reselling thing. Okay, but we're not going to be using any of these because they cost you money to start. I'm going to be showing you how you can start this for free in the comfort of your own room right now, right here. With that being said, this is the end of this lesson. In my next lesson, we're going to start the whole sign up process and then take it from there and build our own reseller hosting business. This was going to be a paid course, but I really changed my mind, and now it's available on YouTube for free. Okay, so thank you, and I will see you in the next video.